Schwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo kloy ki kubor na ke jela.
This is an important announcement. This is a gentle reminder to all the ROs, observers and candidates are requested to be present in the counting hall of your respective constituencies. Torlok baro kini kalong ke Jingkren ke badan kam. Lagar part the RO, the observer, the candidate, the election agent.
Day tang ka NPP ka barem Kiba pun ki candidates ki rem Kiba pli tang bakam lelay ngampat peg ngampat postmortem yang kata ka result aya nga Schwabangan let kira ni ki pat pa la Jong kwali ai kublay ki namar ki don tension candidate. Let me go and speak to them please. I'll come back and get a proper view from the entire NPP party and then we will brief you accordingly at the correct time.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Of the state for having voted for our party. We're very thankful to them, and of course we are short of few numbers, so we will just wait for the final results to come out and then we'll decide how to move forward.
Sir, WhatsApp trends has been shows that your party will become the single largest party. That's sort of the to get the absolute majority. So what is your next move to form the government? It is also open its door for the UDP, BJP or other parties.
Let's just see. I have not even got a chance to even meet my people, so all the thinking will start after that.
Sir, all options are open, sir?
Yeah, we'll see when the time comes. Okay.
Wait, Arindam, wait. Arindam, there you meet people, yeah. Okay. You will give no. He is the most friendly person you have ever seen. तो कितना परेशान हो रहा है?
Demanded what do they want. Now, if they felt that the TMC was too young a party in the state to give them the responsibility to govern the state, well, that's their choice. But as a TMC, as a team, we are still intact and we shall work. It's only a matter of 5 years. It's just another.
Bachas, we've been doing your campaign. During your campaign, you said that anti-incumbency against the MDA government would at least pave way for the TMC to form the new government in Meghalaya. So what is the reason? Is it because people...
I don't think the people listen to me.
I'll just take a photograph. We need it. Good photo. We sign.
All right, this way or that way.
Whichever way.
Once again.
Spectacular, considering that in the previous house there were just 6 of us, and we also lacked leaders with experience in the past 5 years, and we even lost the party president, Dr. Jong. So it's a huge comeback for the UDP. Yes. It's difficult for me to jump the gun at this stage. The best thing would be ideally for you to allow us to meet, confabulate, and then come to a certain point of convergence. I will not jump the gun. Let us first confabulate as newly elected MLAs of the party. We will certainly come to one point of convergence.